Hey everybody, it's the Walker. So what are we doing today? Well, I'm out here right now gathering up resources for a fire challenge. But I figure, since we're out here, maybe we can address another fire challenge as well. How to start a fire with the little tiny, little magnifying lens on Swiss Army knives. Now, a lot of people, I read on the forums and the internet, they're like, well, I don't really need a lighter, or if my lighter runs out, or my matches run out, or no fire kit, I can use the Swiss Army knife to save me, little magnifying lens. But I wonder if they field tested it, see if it actually works. So what we'll do is we'll continue on our little foray out here. We'll find ourselves a nice sunny spot, and I don't think that'll be a problem today. Now see if we get ourselves a fire with this little tiny, itty bitty Swiss Army knife magnifying lens. And we have a prime opportunity to get ticks too. That's one thing I don't like. So, all right, we'll get this, we'll get some cedar bark off that tree. This punky wood right here. It's gonna be perfect for our needs. Look at that, it's absolutely perfect. Oh man, but I tell you, I don't want, this tree's totally dead. I don't want to be anywhere around this thing if it falls. But the punky wood, that's what we need. It's yellow birch. It's be good for the bark for a Swiss Army knife magnifying lens fire. I think it'll be just fine. One of those things I like to do, sunny spot, put my tinder on some rocks here, on that root. Let it cook out in the sun for a few minutes. We got that big powerful sun, might as well take advantage of it. Here's just some realities of the small magnifying lens. Yeah, it burned a tiny little hole in the leaf, but so what? There's that grass. It's gonna be the same general situation. I'll get smoke, a little pinprick, nothing beyond that. We need to do something that's going to give us a real shot at getting flames. Fortunately, it's a light color. It's an unfortunate thing, but see if I can find a dark spot in this somewhere. Slightly darker right here. trying to do is get a coal. There we go. There we are. We'll add a little birch bark into the mix, and we'll put in some more shavings of punky wood. And there we are. Fire. A little lazy on my part, but those are flames. With the small magnifying lens. And we were successful. I was a little sloppy in that I kind of constructed the tinder bundle as I was doing it. So that's a little sloppy. You generally want to get your tinder bundle ready to go before you do that. You can definitely, with a magnifying lens, you can burn a hole in a leaf. So what? You know, you can burn a hole into some grass. So what? Little tiny magnifying lens like this. I think the secret to making it actually work is something to coal, to make a coal. And once you make that coal, you then want to blow that coal into flames using, in this case, we use cedar bark. Of course, there's another issue too. Carry a lighter. Carry 3 good ways to start a fire. Do you ever get yourself in a situation, you know, if you're in a survival situation, that's all you have to start a fire, you know, you're really tight, you know what I mean? I mean, that's cutting the edge a little too close. So, carry 3 ways to start a fire. But if you have to, I mean, you lost your fire kit, your lighter, whatever, you definitely want to use this little magnifying lens, at least in my experience, to start a coal first, blow that coal into flames. Also, it's sunny right now. Don't be thinking about doing this when it's pitch black out and you've been wandering the woods for 3 hours and it's raining. That's not the time. You want to do it at the peak of sun. Right now, I believe it is, what do we got for time here? 12:27. Bam. So I took every advantage I could possibly do in order to make this work. All right, so if you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And that's starting a fire with a little tiny Swiss Army knife, magnifying lens. Y'all have a great day.